guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here again, and today I've got something really special for you. It's salmon and chilli fish cakes with crunchy watercress and a delicious watercress mayo. Stick with me, watch this video right to the end. I think you're going to enjoy it, and I think you're going to try it for yourself, that's for sure. Here are the ingredients that we need.
And this is for a family of 4. The quantities of chilli, salt and pepper, etc. are entirely up to you and your taste.
This recipe, we're going to need some salmon fillets, lovely fresh salmon fillets I've got here. These are going to be the star of the show. Now we also need some potatoes, they're going to be boiled and mashed. We need the juice and the zest from 1 lemon. Here I've got some lovely parsley, I've got to add, it's fresh from my garden. We're going to need some spring onions, they're going to be cut up and fried. Seasoning, salt and pepper, some butter, and to give it a little bit of a kick we're going to need some chilli. Not all of this, just a little bit.
So I'm going to start with the pan on the hob, medium heat, put in a hefty amount of butter. Oh, I do love butter. Then we can go in with our chopped up spring onions. Put those in, we're going to give those a little bit of a stir and get those simmering. We want those nice and soft. So while they're cooking, we'll get on with the chilli. Oh, look at me, no gloves on. Better not rub my eyes. I'm going to take the pit out and the seeds, and I'm going to use half of a chilli. It's a medium strength chilli. First I'll cut this lengthways like this, and then after I've done that I'm going to finely chop it. I mean finely. Then I'm going to take my favourite mixing bowl, put in the boiled potatoes, and I'm going to give them a hefty mash. You don't have to be too fussy, if there's a few lumps in there, that doesn't matter. Then I'm going to pop in the spring onions, nicely cooked, and put in the little bit of oil that they've been cooked into. Then in with the chillies. After that we can follow it with a chopped parsley, a lemon zest, pile it in, lemon juice, in that goes. Then we're going to bring this all together, incorporate all these flavours, make sure it's well mixed, and of course we're going to need some seasoning, a bit of this lovely sea salt, and of course we're going to need some freshly cracked black pepper. So pile that in. Then we can add our salmon, cut into chunks like this size. Pop them in. Now the salmon, we want to sort of gently fold that in. We don't want to mash it all up. When it's all done, pop it into a little container like this, a little ring, little metal ring, anything that's going to form the shape of a nice little patty. And off to the pan. In with a fair amount of olive oil. In with the patty. I'm going to put 3 in here because I've got room. Get them nicely browned on each side. You can flip these over a few times, at least I will, and make sure they're cooked right through because you've got to cook the salmon. Off we go to plate up. Now doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to serve this up with some lovely crispy watercress, and in that little white bowl there's some watercress mayo. Now that's a video for another time, so keep your eyes open guys. I'm going to be loving this part. It's our taste test. Well, that's my taste test anyway. And boy does this taste good. Please try this for yourself, it's well worth it, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.